Okay, this is video number 2. I'm doing this just a little bit differently. This is an unboxing video, but I want to show you what I have here, which is these are both identical, alright? You see that? Not really, but this is a, come on, focus, there you go, 6700, right? And it's one of these, the 3 speakers off to the end and all that, alright? Okay, and then, wait, don't fall. Just sew everything. Okay, and then this is a Perdisco, come on, focus. Yeah, TRK-LX, whatever, you can read that, right? I'll put it in the title. Okay. And this is same thing on the back. There we go, great. So, this is a red one, alright? Long time ago I got this one, 100 years ago, whenever. And the tuner has a plastic piece that goes across here. It's about this long, hard to explain. It broke, alright? Or some, I can't remember what happened, but you can't tune the station on that, and the tape player, I never repaired it. And then I got this one from Japan, and I never repaired it, but it does work. Alright, so, and I'll leave that alone for the time being. I'll throw you up on a tripod. And yes, I have a whole hell of a lot of things in here for sale as I repair them. There's the M90, who cares? And I got these things, I got that thing, and I got a whole nother room of stuff over there. We're not going to go there because I'm running out of daylight, so hi. Okay, whoops, there we are, okay. So get this off of here, put this on the tripod, alright. This on the tripod, because, okay, so now flip this around so you can see. Okay, great, so that's pretty close, alright, great. So now, I'm going to get this camera here, which we didn't power up or nothing, right? So, again, turn that on. Okay, well, that's better. Alright. Now, reading memory card. Okay, fine. Come on, hurry up. I ain't got all day. There we go. Once again, this is a Hitachi TRK-6700H. Okay. I don't know why the H is, but you see that there? There we go. Great. This one focuses faster. And then this one here is a red. Come on now. Perdisco. Can you see that? Anyway, it's here. Show you on the back. Right? Once again, there it is on the back. Okay, great. And then, now, again, this one here doesn't work. Tape player might work. I don't know. I can't remember. It's probably a parts model now. And then I bought this one here, right? Notice I got different antenna tips. That's interesting, but just now notice that. Okay. This one here can be repaired. The radio does work. This one, anyway, and I got it powered up, but I bought a third one. Why did I buy a third one? Okay. Set this down on the tripod here. And again, I have a whole, let's see here. Again, I have a whole lot of stuff here. Got the other camera there. Got cords. I've just got a whole hell lot of radios here. I want to sell, right? A lot of them are repaired. Okay, alright, so put this up here. All right. Now, I want to engage the Facebook people because Facebook videos only go 30 days now. Okay, so we're going to go live. Okay, going live. Live. Alright, so, hello boys and girls, we're live again. This is the second video today. This is about the is about being old and forgetful. Okay, so here is a Hitachi, let me see if you can see this in the picture. Well, you can see it there and I'm blocking that one, but okay, if I hold it about here you can see the full thing. Alright, there we go. So this is a, it's a TRK-6700H. It's a 3 speakers, alright, basic model with line in and all that. Got your, let's do it this way. Mixing volume, your function, your mode, your tape, your loudness button, your bass, your treble, your volume, and your band. And this one's got shortwave, is that right? Yes, it has shortwave on it, so that's weird. Okay. And here, let me just, if you can see that, here, let's do this. Throw that, wait. hopefully you can see that. I'm holding it here long enough and get this over here with this one. Alright, so I just want to show the top of this, right? Everybody knows what the rest of this looks like. Okay, so, and again, hopefully I've been holding this about here. You should be able to see the whole thing, but only for 30 days. Okay, and then this is the working model. Right, I have it plugged in. This does not have an AC adapter, nor does it have a transformer inside. It just takes a 9-volt adapter. So I've got it on, right? Let's see here. I had it on. Wait. What happened?
1037. Looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time has passed.
Anyway, this one does work, right? And you put it on there, and it's a soft touch. There we go. See, you can hear that running, right? The tape is running, but there's needs bells. All right, so this comes with the headache of being forgetful, because anyway, so I put this back on the shelf. This one is just a parts model. Anyway. And then this one here I got way back when, and then I forgot. See here, how do I explain this? I have this one here, right? And I forgot I had gotten this one. That's the whole story. I forgot I had gotten this one, because then I saw this thing again thinking, oh, I'm going to repair, I need something to repair that one with. Well, I can't, because they're different. So I'm going to put this down here, right, because I'm going to get this out right here. This is the same thing as a Hitachi TRK-LX2. But this is a white one. And I got this from the same place I got the red one from. So let's get the scissors out. Could do it standing up, but having an issue standing, so just thought I'd do it sitting down, and if you can see me, great. If you can't see me, well, I'm really opening this box up here. So, okay, so here it is. There it is. Well, maybe it's not white. Maybe it's light blue or gray. It looks white. Okay, so here it is, coming out of the box for the first time. Yeah. Nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, so this down over there. Oh, it's light blue, I guess. Okay, well, there went the phone. Someone messaged me something, but who knows? All right. Okay, so just nice. Yeah, it's a light blue. It looked white in the listing, but so I was, well, okay, I'm not gonna, no, they got it too tightly packed. Okay, can't just pull it off of there. Alright, so trying to preserve this stuff a little bit. Okay, great. Well, that like that. Well, there's the beginning of this. I know they rolled it on here. Looks like that's the beginning. I just want to get this out of here. There we go. Yeah, it's going to come. Just have to get the corners off. Okay, there we go. Get the corners off and get the handle out. All right, yep, there we go. Get the handle out. There we go. Yeah, the handle's got, there we go. And, okay, well. Yeah, I forgot about the switches. Okay, so, alright, here, let's just, I ain't got time for this. I'll be here all day. Just cut through it, dude. There we go. Okay. Man, there's still missed some. Okay, so there's that, there's this. Alright, so yeah, so it's light blue. Okay, well here, I don't know. See it here. Here it is, light blue in all its glory of being light blue, and this one's way back here, so I have to walk it back. Alright, so it's light blue. It's probably bad lighting for this camera, but guarantee you it's light blue. Okay. Alright, so now I was just playing this one here with the power adapter, which is this one here, which should be this cord. Right, it is that cord. So let's plug this in. And it's the correct polarity, meaning that it's positive on the outside, negative on the center. So, okay. Radio. So we got radio.
Of Dallas,
on CBS, which is crazy because you know.
Well, the radio works, and the tape motor heard the same thing. Let's see here. Motor works, needs a belt. That's about all we can say here. This is a good candidate for repair, and it's a cool white color. I mean, cool blue. So that turns it off. Let's see here. Eject. Opens up. Door's strong. Great. So, let's see. Wait. One more thing. Yep. It's got all the parts. Okay. Good candidate. Oh, that's alright. I'm not worried about that. That's why it's there. It's a little distressed, but it's like, hey, that's why it's supposed to be there. So to keep it from... Got to be somebody out there. I want it perfect. They won't buy it because it got a little distressed. Like, bye. Okay, so, well, there we go. Okay, so that works. And the red one works, and we'll just have to, the other one, be done with it. Alright, so I just thought I'd let you see that. Okay, so now that I've done that, alright, so let me see who dinged in. Anybody dinged in? Don't know who dinged in. Somebody dinged in. There's 3 people watching. Alright, fine. Well, again, I've got a zillion things here. I've got a lot of issues going on. Alright, so there is that camera, and there is that camera. But you're not going to see this anymore after a few days. Alright, so just say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Good day. Everything in here is for sale for the most part. You know, I've got, you know, there's a 94, a 94, another 94, and then there's another 94 over there. One of these is 9600. I can't remember which, but, you know, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a 9990, whatever, Sanyo. There's just, I keep doing this, people just not interested. Okay, thanks. Good day. Bye-bye. And then just, you know, and then hit done. Done. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so then we'll just, whatever. And then we'll just go here, and we're still rolling with this one, right? We started with the other one first. So here it is in all its glory. Right? This is a better light. So it looks like that. Okay. And, you know, oh, that's right. Where'd the other one go? What am I looking for? Look, well, okay. This is in English. So here, give me this. That's what you want. Give me this in English. So, just so you know, this is, all the controls are the same. All the buttons are the same. Okay, so this one's, you know, loudness. That's why I got this, because it got bass, treble, volume, and then this is AM and FM, and FM with something else on there. And then over here you have your metal, chrome, and normal, your wide, stereo, and mono, and you have your tape off, radio and line in, and then you have a mixing mic. Okay, so they both have little straps here. Okay. What the hell is that? Oh. Here, you want to call it a spam caller? Go ahead and call him. I'm not calling him. Okay, a spam caller. Alright, made them famous. Alright, thanks for watching. It's been 13 minutes. Gotta go. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Come back to that in a moment because this one here is still rolling along. Okay, they finally hung up. Okay, so. Alright, so. Well, once again, for y'all, this is, the buttons are exactly the same. This is, your mixing volume, your function, your mode, mono, stereo, and stereo wide, and your 3 tape things. This is your eject button, and all these are the same here. Oh, wait, I forgot to mention, okay, this one, the Japanese model has a 3-time tape search thing on it. Oh, I forgot about that. So that's an added feature that this one does not have. That's right. This doesn't have it. Okay, so everything's the same controls except this gets a 3-time tape search feature, but not the rest of the world. And we're about out of power, so I'm just have to say good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Gotta go, and that's the phone ringing. Is that another spam call? You want to see a spam call, people? Is that the same number? Call them. I'm not calling them. You can call them. Okay. Good day. Bye-bye. So. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm stopping the video. Alright, so say goodbye. Bye-bye.